This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at haynes.com.
Warning: transoxyl fluid can exceed 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a hot transoxyl. Wear protective gloves. After the vehicle has been driven, to warm up the transoxyl fluid, park the vehicle on level ground and turn off the engine. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Being careful not to touch the hot engine components, place a drain pan underneath the transoxyl fluid drain plug and remove the plug. Allow the fluid to drain completely, then clean the plug and the opening. Install the plug and tighten it securely. Be sure to dispose of the transoxyl fluid properly. Safely lower the vehicle. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Remove the ATF filler bolt at the rear of the engine compartment. Using a funnel, add the specified type of new transoxyl fluid into the bolt hole a little at a time, while continually checking the transoxyl fluid dipstick to see when the level has reached between the upper and lower marks. Insert the dipstick. Install the filler bolt and tighten it securely. Start the engine. With the brake pedal depressed, slowly shift through all gear ranges, then place the shifter in park and apply the parking brake. Turn the engine off and check the fluid level. Remove the filler bolt and add fluid to bring it into the area between the two notches on the dipstick. Be sure to cycle the transoxyl through each gear range and ending in park, as described previously, between additions. Install the dipstick and ATF filler bolt, tightening it securely. If additional fluid is required, add fluid a little at a time and keep checking the level until it is correct. It's important not to overfill the transoxyl.